Hey, this guy murdering this food. Chanterelles, sausage, whatever. Look at this guy. God dag, välkommen till Svenska Vego Köket. Idag ska ni få träffa Kirill, en riktigt bra kille. Så häng med på denna för att han kommer presentera showen och vi hälsar han hjärtligt välkommen. Nu kör vi!
Hej, välkommen till Svenska Vego Köket. Välkommen till Svenska Vego Köket.
So, what we doing today?
We're doing creamy pasta. I want you to watch the whole show. Guys, I promise you, you're gonna like it. Давай, let's cook.
Okay, my friends, here are the ingredients. Där kan ni se vad som finns, mina damer och herrar. Start with some olive oil and fry the sausage until it's have a nice surface like this. Then you go in with the rest of the ingredients, my friends. Ge mig resten av ingredienserna på svenska så ni förstår. Okay, so we go in with some chili flakes. I like a lot of heat. Put some white pepper. Then you can start to go in with the pasta della mente.
Nothing. They think like it's just...
When you see it's like this, you go in after like 20 minutes with the cream. We're using a vegan cream. Vegansk Oatly matlagningsgrädde. Förstår ni det? We're going with some salt, some liquid, muggy fluid, some broth. And we're gonna go in a little bit of touch of soya sauce for a nice smoke. Then you can mix it around like this. And my friends, we are done. Fast, simple, easy, unbelievable pasta, creamy. So much taste, I'm telling you, and you can serve it to anyone and they're not even gonna know this is vegan. So let's go, my friends. We're gonna end it up and top it with some nice vegan Parmesan cheese. Det här märker jag riktigt bra. And go in with some nice olive oil freshly and some freshly chopped parsley. Sprinkle a bit of black pepper on it and you are ready to go.
Oh, my brother, you have waited a long time for this one, huh?
Right. Second course.
Oh, man.
Give it to me.
Oh, grill. Oh, grill.
Finally, it's done.
Only gold fork for you, my friend.
So it's another one, right?
This is the next one. This is mushroom pasta with vegan chorizo, with kantarelles, onions, garlic, and creamy sauce you see there. So, it's the first time you're gonna try this. Okay, my friend, okay. Take a little bit chorizo. Straw.
Try to make this recipe at your home. You will never regret.
Really?
Bon appetit.
Hey, this guy murdering this food. Hey, this is some real stuff, yeah. This is creaminess on another level. Mushrooms, chanterelles, sausage, whatever. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
You still here? I want to finish my pasta. But before I completely finish it, I suggest you to try this recipe at home. So put likes and subscribe.
Yes, I am. And my people, do you want to see this guy more? This is Kirill from Estonia, Tallinn. He lives and works in Sweden. He have never tried this vegan stuff before.
And if you like this type of recipes, I'll if you're gonna like this food as I did, you're gonna wait. No, not right. Wait. If you're gonna like this recipe like I did, put the likes and subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you soon in Svensk, Vego, Köket. Пока. Vegan Köket.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.